Hello, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church again, and today we're going to be reviewing something a bit different. We're going to be reviewing a product dogs even talk about with the Barkan TV mounts. Okay, that was a bad joke, but hey, TV mounts, what can I say about them? Everybody kind of needs them. Last Christmas I bought myself a giant television set that was about, I don't know, 65 inches or something. It might have been smaller, and I couldn't even put it on the entertainment center I had because its base was too small. However, if I had this guy, which is sufficient for 29 inches to 65 inches, I could have mounted it on the wall. This thing, I'm just gonna open this up here and we'll see what this is about. I mean, if I mounted this, it's just gonna be a lot of like stupid nothing that we would have to speed through or something like that. So let's just look at this and see if this is gonna be easy for us. Okay, opening the box now here. Okay, I'm gonna angle it up here. So, okay, we got all the instructions that we need here. Plus we got whatever the heck this thing is. Huh? What is this? Is this a prop from X-Men? Oh, it's, oh, it definitely is X-y in shape. And we've got some, we got some little things here that are spread out. And, it's a little guy. It's a little headless guy. Hello. So I got myself a little monitor here. This is a Samsung monitor that I'm not sure of the actual dimensions. I think it's about a 32 inch. So let's see. So just by looking at this thing and possibly taking a glance at the instructions, how is this supposed to work? Well, what I believe this is these things are essentially little bars that can hold up, and so you can adjust them. Now, I'm told that a lot of televisions or monitors, displays, they have these screw points in back that are designed for these monitors. And this is like a system called VISA. Yeah, I believe that's an acronym. Not even sure what that acronym stands for. I think it's Standards Association. Why not? We'll just go with that. But essentially, what I believe this is these things will line up with these holes so you can screw them in. But hey, what if there's no screws? Oh. Well, fortunately, this thing seems to come with a whole heck of a lot of stuff. So maybe screws is one of them? Oh, shoot, yeah. We'll get to this in a bit. Oh, shoot, yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, as you can see, we've got a lot of screws all in this little bag with little Z designations. I'm not going to open this right now, but I can tell that probably some of these screws for sure are gonna fit in these things that are made for it. This will hold this thing on here. But that's of course only the beginning. You obviously need to fit this on a wall. Fortunately, there's this thing, which basically, from what I can tell, let's just say that this thing fits in here somehow. We're gonna have to read the instructions on this. This is the part that definitely fits in the wall, though, for sure. Oh, we have a little Barkan tag. How nice. But essentially, hopefully the screws, I notice they come with these wall anchors, so this is going to fit in your wall very good. And these very, very deep screws. So if you're a little worried about your television just falling out of the wall, I really don't think that's going to happen when you got this Barkan mount. Now, we might do a part 2 on this video. We might not. Really depends. Some things are just more difficult to review than others, and this could be one of them. But here, I just want to show you what it's all about. These things are not meant to be very scary. As long as you know where the studs are in your wall, you should be able to mount something like this pretty easily. Don't let this scare you if you're thinking about doing this. And this will give you a sense of, according to the instructions, there's many ways to do this. And also, what's interesting is I was checking them out, this X thing, you can do a lot with it. It works on these curved screens as well. So there's a lot of room to move on this. And speaking of room to move, as you can see, this thing swivels pretty easily. So imagine it'll probably swivel on your wall. And I wonder if that swivels a bit. Oh yeah, it does. Check it out. Now it might not be able to bend forward like this in that kind of formation, or at least I don't really see anything of how that could do that. Okay, it's probably got some screws there, so in case you want your screen a little bit angled like this, you could probably get that. Again, don't quote me on that, but it looks like from what I've got here, this is what it'll do. Okay, and I need to be warn you on this. I'm pretty handy with the gadgets, but I'm not very handy in installation of things. So, but however, like this thing is probably going to do you if you don't know much about gadgets here. I'm going to recommend these Barkan mounts, and honestly, I think this is a good deal. So we might have another review on this coming up shortly. But in the meantime, Barkan mounts. This one is available at like Walmart and Amazon, and I found the price is extremely low. The price on this is something like $39 or $31. It is so low. It is even, I mean, dude. So check it out if you want to buy Barkan mounts. And this is Mark Rollins signing off from the Geek Church.